Afternoon, friends. This is Sanjay Agarwal. So I'm joined with Bhartiya ji. He's from Chandigarh, as he told me, and now they are into artificial intelligence in the real estate space. So, आपका स्वागत है at the press club. They are doing a press conference today, and they will tell us about their what they have been doing it for last 2 years. So, आप अपना introduction दें, please.
Yeah, so we started the whole building this product from last 2 years itself. We did whole market research. We built this product within a very limited time itself. And with the evolving of artificial intelligence, to manage this was very hectic itself. So with artificial intelligence by the name of Dorit, we have created a virtual environment where people can view properties from their home itself, and when they want to get an experience as well at their doorstep, we have that feature enabled now, that you can just open the app and you can book a home site visit, and our representatives will come at your doorstep to give the whole experience.
Dorit जो आपका है, so
Yeah.
what does this signify? The name itself.
Yes, it signifies the name itself. We are in this conference. We are going to launch. You can say the indoor navigation system with virtual commerce. You can say that this gonna be a very much drastic change for everyone around this India itself. I'll tell you, अभी तक पूरे वो एशिया पैसिफिक में सिर्फ एक ही मॉल है जिसका नाम है दुबई मॉल, which has this kind of thing available. But हम उसको 6 times cheaper अफोर्डेबल वे में लेके आ रहे हैं पूरे इंडिया में. एंड यू कैन से दैट कि ये पहली बार होगा आप कहीं पे भी नेविगेट कर पा रहे होंगे, मॉल्स में, हॉस्पिटल्स में, एयरपोर्ट्स में, रेलवेज में, दैट यू डोंट हैव टू आस्क भैया कि यार ये रास्ता कहाँ है. You just have to open the app and it will guide you all the way.
It's not an extension of the Google Maps.
You
It's
can
something different.
Yes, Google Maps works in outdoor spaces. We are into indoor spaces, so we want to be Google of indoor spaces.
And does it require the Wi-Fi, or would it work on a mobile network or without the mobile network?
You just have to scan a QR code itself, and then it just senses out by itself, and then you have to walk away. Of course, it uses a mobile data, but not much.
Right. मेरा एक सवाल है that about the customer experience.
Yeah.
Like suppose we have in real estate, I understand जैसे आपने बताया. Suppose we have Godrej properties. उनके इधर हमारे हरियाणा में, दिल्ली में, नोएडा में, and then Bombay and everywhere across 2 tier, 3 tier, सब जगह उनके वो बन रही हैं buildings, apartments. So somebody who's wanting to buy a flat, तो उनका how does it experience, मतलब कैसे वो, how do they do it with your app?
Yes, they open our app itself. They don't have to visit all the Godrej properties. They just have to come on our app itself. They select what they want to see and they open the project and they can see the virtual reality. We are working with many other developers as well, like all the top developers around here in Noida. You talk about Gurgaon, you talk about Tri-City.
They're
Goa.
all RERA certified.
Yes, we work only in the
Because
RERA
एक
certified
customer को
projects.
प्रॉब्लम है कि
Yeah.
कहीं आपके थ्रू कहीं गलत जगह फंस गए तो फिर वो they'll
No,
be, you know.
we only work with the RERA certified
Good.
projects.
तो अभी ये कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस जैसे आपने बताया, so how much does he have to pay, or does he get the reimbursement if he buys the property?
Yes. So what happens is we don't charge anything from the customer. So they come on our app itself. They book a free home visit. And it's like just you just like click on it and a person comes at your home, gives you the whole experience. And second is they can book the property at their home itself, which will save them a lot of time. And if they don't want to buy it ahead, we charge like very minimal amount, which ranges from like 5 to 10,000 rupees. So they can hold it for like 48 hours. So that becomes a very much हेल्प फैक्टर कि उनका जब प्राइस बढ़ता है प्रॉपर्टी का तो दे हैव इट स्टेबल डाउन टू फॉर 24 to 48 आवर्स, सो दैट वो उनकी प्रॉपर्टी कहीं और ना जाए.
मेरा एक सवाल है फ्रॉम द कस्टमर. सपोज मैं एक प्रॉपर्टी खरीदता हूँ आपके ऐप पे आके, राइट? तो सिंस यू आर द पार्टनर विद दोस प्रॉपर्टी, सपोज DLF या जो भी है, नेम इट, तो अगर हमने कोई प्रॉपर्टी खरीदी एंड आफ्टर 10 years or 5 years, और इवन आई एम शिफ्टिंग, आई एम इन अ गवर्नमेंट जॉब और आई एम इन अ प्राइवेट जॉब, मेरे को दिल्ली से बैंगलोर रीलोकेट करना है.
Yeah.
अब दिल्ली में भी शोभा डेवलपर्स आ रहे हैं तो मेरे को बैंगलोर जाना है. सो उसमें आपकी कैसे वी विल हैव टू पे अगेन, और इज इट गोइंग टू बी
No. You can list your properties down there, and you can move from one place to another after selling that one, and you can buy the another one
So selling
from the
में there's no charge, or there's a charge.
no, the listing is free
The
itself.
listing
And
is free.
free, and
तो मैंने
but if you want to get a like a virtual shoot done, I mean that's